Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a 4-cup dirty pour with a color scheme that I've never done before. So I thought I'd try something new. I'm going to be using 4 cups, and I like to spray my cups with the WD-40 silicone spray in the black can, not the blue can, the black can. So if you're new here too, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Over here or over here, not sure where it shows up on the video. So I'm just like to mist the inside of the cup. It helps all the paint release. So on my dirty pours, I like to layer. I don't like to dump the paint into each other. So I'm going to go ahead and start with white. This is Creative Inspirations Titanium White mixed with my glue all and the Floetrol. No water. This is Craft Smart Gold that you can get at Michael's. And I'll follow that with Naples Yellow, which is from Artist Loft. Still waiting for Soho to come out with Naples Yellow. This is Deco Art Worn Penny. All of my metallics, except for my silver and my copper, are craft paint. We don't use a lot of it, so it's okay to use it, throw it in here and there. This is Creative Inspirations Burnt Sienna. This is a new color that I just got. And I'm going to follow that with Lucas Van Dyke Brown. It's a nice and rich brown color. Dries like chocolate. Follow that with Craft Smart Deep Bronze Metallic. Can you get that? Earthy. This is Lucas Turquoise. It's a beautiful color, turquoise. I think I want a little more than that. It's going to be a highlight color. And I'm going to follow that with Soho Phthalo Green Blue for contrast. And follow that up with Craft Smart Native Turquoise Metallic. Okay. So now I want to go ahead and add the earth tones again. I'll start with just a tiny bit of white, because we're encasing the highlight colors. I probably should move these aside because we're going to get messy. Some gold. Some Naples Yellow. The Worn Penny Metallic. The Burnt Sienna. Van Dyke Brown. I was looking at this bottle with the bronze. And the deep bronze. And what I'm going to do now is just shoot a little bit of white down the middle to break those up. And we're going to start pouring. No swirling, no nothing, because we don't want that to become unlayered. Then you get the possibility of making some mucky, muddled colors. And I'm going to start off the canvas. So you use pretty much all your paint when you use the WD-40. love that Naples yellow in there with that turquoise. So after I get the first 2 cups down, I like to start looking where I want to place color. I really like that though. Let's see if I can come around it. And I'm not minding the white there on the edge because that will get poured off probably. And I'm going to bring this gold here. But I love this. Look at this. So let's go ahead and place that through here again. Oh yeah. And I'll just fill this up here to give us something to run off. So we have a lot of interest here. I'm just moving it together. Trying not to lose the bits that I like. Alright. So I have a pile of burnt sienna here. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick torch to get the bubbles out. You have to be patient when you're tilting. You gotta do it very slowly and bring your paint back to that middle. Otherwise you'll end up with some zigzags. That worn penny is beautiful in there. I want to open up that turquoise. Okay, that was white. I thought my canvas was showing there, but it wasn't. I kind of like it right there. I don't want to mess with it anymore. Wipe my hands. We're going to get a lot more color coming up through these. I love the Naples yellow with the turquoise here, and it's coming through on the burnt sienna. The metallics are kind of sitting on top right now, but they are going to sink a little because they're heavier paint. Sometimes they just get lost in a painting. But I've been pretty lucky with having them show up, so let me go ahead and torch now. I love when my cells show up right in the very beginning so I don't have to try to go find any. But this will change because of the metallics. And when you're torching your paintings, don't stand over them. The fumes are not good for you. If at all possible, wear a respirator. It's not that you're burning the paint, but you are heating it, so it's going to produce some fumes. Cool. So check out the links below and shop with us on Amazon and Etsy if you're looking for one of my paintings. If you want to sponsor the channel to get in on our quarterly giveaway, which is November 1st, click that PayPal link below and donate. we're going to be giving away a painting of your choice, if I still have it available. And then we'll be looking forward to our 50,000 subscriber giveaway with phenomenal prizes. We've been working on those for about a month. Let me give you a peek. I love that little section right there. This is pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And the run-up is pretty. I may pull some skins out of there. So check out all the links below. Hit me up on Facebook if you need to ask me some questions, or at my email, ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. And stay tuned. We have a lot more fun videos coming up, and my friend Nate Cerami, a fellow artist, will be here in less than 2 weeks. And we'll be doing some lives and a lot of collab work. So we'll have videos posted probably 2 or 3 times a day, I'm sure. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.